Hi,
My name is Nur Karina.
My name is Najwa.
My name is Karinisa.
I'm Nick and I'm also from class S21.
Yesterday, I went to zoo with my family, but I rarely see any elephant there.
Oh really? I think it because elephant is one of the endangered species in Malaysia.
Oh, I only know tigers and turtle. Do you know any other endangered species?
Yes, Bornean Orangutan is also one of the most endangered and threatened species in Malaysia.
Oh, can you explain a bit more about it?
Sure, let's go. Borneo orangutan is known as Mias by local population. They are also known as Pongopimas by scientific name. They are one of the three largest orangutan that is endemic to East Malaysia, that is Sabah and Sarawak. They are also found in 4 to 5 Kalimantan province in Indonesia.
In Malaysia, we have Bornean Orangutan, Sumatran Orangutan, and Tanah Pelik Orangutan. Did you know that Bornean Orangutan is about 7 times stronger than humans? Wow! Bornean Orangutan is different in appearance from Tanah Pelik Orangutan and Sumatran Orangutans, with a wider face and shorter birds, and slightly darker in color. For hair, they have red-orange color hair that is thin and shaggy. However, Bornean orangutan cannot swim, and make rivers and oceans their limit movement. Therefore, they spend almost of their time in the forest canopy and rarely come down from the tree.
For many years, orangutan have been forced to retreat into the forest as they watch us humans destroy their home and habitat. We cut away the trees and we burn their land in the name of development. So there are many problems that faced by orangutans, such as logging and mining, toxic air pollution, deforestation, and palm oil plantation.
So, there are many problems that faced by orangutan. First of all, logging and mining. Because of these activities, numbers of orangutan were reduced. The current estimates of orangutan population are between 100,000 to 148,000, based on the Worldwide Fund for Nature. In Sabah, the Borneo orangutan number are even smaller. Apart from that, this species face numerous threats. One of the threats is the loss of habitat. Palm oil plantations are the biggest threat of orangutans. Palm oil plantations provide no food or shelter that can sustain the population. The encroachment of plantations into orangutans' habitats have also resulted in the species being captured or killed. Besides, deforestation will kill thousands of orangutans every year. It is because they can easily get shot, especially if they are found in the palm oil plantation itself. Logging roads make the forest much more accessible to poachers. Lastly, toxic air pollution also causes serious health and safety risks. Frequent exposure to toxic smoke could have severe consequences for orangutans and other wildlife. Change in their environment cause changes in the species' health and behavior. Orangutan are closer to humans than most of the animals. They are highly intelligent. They can intimate personal bonds and express emotion, such as grief over the loss of loved one. Orangutan play a vital role in seed dispersal as they consume a wide variety of fruits. They are capable of ingesting seeds larger than most fur-givers and travel long distance over which they deposit seeds. That is why we need to protect them so that other species, flora and fauna, are also protected. Orangutans are known as gardeners of the forest. They maintain the health of the forest ecosystem, which is important for humans and other animals. By conserving the habitat of orangutans, we can also get the benefit. If there were no orangutans, these particular trees could not reproduce and other animals that depend on them would be affected as well.
In the heart of Borneo, organizations are tirelessly working to protect the endangered Bornean orangutans. whose existence is threatened by deforestation and illegal activities. What are the actions that have been taken by these organizations to conserve this Bornean orangutan? Orangutan Foundation International has pioneered rehabilitation and release programs. This program aims to introduce captive orangutan to their natural habitat. While the success of this program varies, many orangutan have been successfully rehabilitated and released. Their survival and adaptation in the wild are key indicators of the true program success, representing hope for the species' future. The Nyaru Menteng Rehabilitation Center, operated by the Borneo Orangutan Survival Foundation (BOSF), multifaceted approach is employed. The BOSF focus on habitat conservation, reforestation, and community engagement. Their relentless effort have contributed significantly to the conservation of orangutan habitats. The success of the initiative is evident in the increase of protected areas and overall improvement of orangutan habitats, fostering a more conducive environment for this primate to grow. Working in collaboration with local communities and governments, the World Wildlife Fund (WWF) is dedicated to creating protected areas and corridors for orangutans. The effectiveness of this action hinges on robust law enforcement and active community involvement. Ongoing assessment and adaptation of strategies are crucial to ensuring the long-term success of this effort. These protected zones serve as safe havens, allowing orangutan to live and reproduce without constant threats. Lastly, the IUCN/SSE Conservation Breeding Specialist Group (CBSG) focuses on orangutan conservation within captivity by supporting conservation breeding programs. They facilitate the growth of orangutan population in the captivity. The success of this program can be measured through population growth and maintaining genetic diversity. This genetic diversity is vital for the species' long-term survival, ensuring that orangutan remain resilient and adaptable in changing environments. Through the collective endeavors of OFI, BOSF, WWF, and CBSG, significant progress has been made in safeguarding the Bornean orangutans. While challenges persist, this organization's unwavering dedication provides a beacon of hope, promising a future where this remarkable creature can thrive in their natural habitat.
Next, suggestion to enhance the conservation activities. Number 1, by public education and awareness. Educating the public about the importance about wildlife conservation and also spread the ways to be a responsible person to maintain the orangutan's habitat. This can be done through public awareness campaign and also school programs. As a result, people can develop a greater understanding and appreciation for the natural world. Number 2 is by authorities carry out stricter monitoring and impose maximum fines on anyone found hunting or possessing orangutans as well as illegally training orangutans. Next, donate money to a conservation organization, also the best ways to reduce the threat of orangutan extinction. We can support their works in protecting orangutans, such as to improve or build an orangutan care centers and rehabilitation. We can also save more orangutan that some of them might be injured, because when we donate to the conservation organization, we can provide the medication for the orangutans, the vaccines, and so much more. Number 4, carry out research and development activities. Also can find out breeding methods to maintain the orangutan species. This can increase the orangutan population in Malaysia. In addition, be able to study the survival and nature of orangutans and find out which foods are suitable and nutritious for orangutans. Lastly, the authorities gazette the forest as a reserve forest where no illegal logging activities can be done. Orangutan habitat can be protected and have a sustainable food source.
That's all from us.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to fill in the Google form.
Comment down below if you have any questions.
Bye bye.